Let's talk about keeping your DM van in top condition with some easy regular maintenance. Clean the MaxxAir fan screens and blades once or twice a year. Twist the small tabs to remove the screen and wipe both sides. Check the roof sealant every year or two and reseal if needed. Wipe your solar panels with a soft cloth and water to remove dust, mud, or snow. Also inspect the sealant around the panel feet and entry glands annually. Empty and dry your water tanks when not in use to prevent mold, and rinse them with a mild cleaner every few times a year. For composting toilets, turn the agitator after each use. Empty liquids daily, and change the coconut coir substrate as needed. A vinegar rinse and a bit of diatomaceous earth help control odor and bugs. Cassette toilets need more frequent cleaning and deodorizing tablets. Replace the Webasto inline fuel filter once a year and perform the heater's maintenance burn as covered in the heater video. A little routine care goes a long way, keeping your DM van safe, efficient, and ready for the journey ahead.